Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Now, today in this video lecture, we are going to talk about the 30 more MCQs that is related to the chapter number 2, bacteria and gram staining. Okay. In the previous 5 or 4 video lecture, we talked about the 150 MCQs. In each videos, we talked 30 MCQs respectively. Okay, so this is actually our 6th or 5th video lecture that is related to the chapter number 2, bacteria and the gram staining, and we will start the MCQs from 151. So let's talk. The MCQs 151 says that the pellicle is found in only, so it is found in protozoa. D is the correct option. The largest virus is pox virus. B is the correct option. The smallest virus is, rubella virus. B is the correct option. 153. Okay, the extracellular infectious virus particle is called, so we call that virions. C is the correct option. Shape of bacteriophage is a shape of the bacteriophage is a tadpole like shape. D is the correct option. If only one stain is used for the staining a specimen, what we call that? We call that spatial staining. A is the correct option. Other than simple, the remaining portion is stained, then it is called negative staining. Okay, negative means B is the correct option. 158 MCQ says that if more than one stain is used, such staining is called differential staining. So C is the correct option. Next MCQs 159 says that fluorescence was first observed by, so it was first observed by Kohler. A is the correct option. By using fluorescence property, fluorescent antibody technique was developed by, so again 160, it is actually developed by Cones. Okay, now Cones use the fluorescence property and discovered the fluorescent antibody, while the fluorescence technique was discovered by Kohler. Okay, so don't be confused. 161 MCQ says that during staining for electron microscopy, the method which improve contrast of specimens is, the correct option is negative staining. B is the correct option, negative staining. MCQs number 162 says that the inorganic form of nitrogen which are accepted by bacteria, so nitrate, so all nitrates, ammonium salt, so D is the correct option, all of these. MCQs number 163 says that archaea bacteria are known as, so it is known as red extreme helophiles. B is the correct option. MCQs 164 says that nitrate converted into nitrite by the bacteria, we call that nitrobacter. C is the correct option. Sulfur oxidizing bacteria is, so it is called as alkalgenes. A is the correct option. Bacillus shigella is, so Bacillus shigella is hydrogen oxidizing bacteria. A is the correct option. 167 MCQ says that the group of bacteria which depends on organic source in nature for their energy requirements, they are said to be, we call that heterotroph. C is the correct option. MCQs 168 says the majority of bacteria are what? So majority of bacteria are parasites. D is the correct option. 169 MCQ says that cymobionts are what? So cymobionts are group of, it is actually the group of participating in symbiotic association. C is the correct option. The best example for symbiotic association, so the best example for the symbiotic is the lichens. B is the correct option. 171 MCQ says that the enzyme responsible for the decomposing, so the correct option is proteolytic enzyme. B is the correct option. MCQs 172 says that urea is decomposed by a species, what we call that? We call that Nitrosomonas species and Proteus. So D is the correct option. Both, Micrococcus and Proteus. A and C is the correct, means both. D is the correct option, both A and C. MCQs number 173. Phycobenz is what? Phycobenz is actually algal part in lichens is the correct option. Parasitic form must contain, so it must contain capsule is the correct option. The total number of genus in the group of the same individual, we call that gene pool. C is the correct option, gene pool. 176 MCQ says that transformation was observed by mainly in, so it is mainly observed in temperate phase. B is the correct option. 177 MCQ said a encapsulated form of bacteria are what? It is mostly virulent. A is the correct option. 178 MCQ says that the bacterial cell participating in conjugation, what we call that? We call that conjugates. Sorry, A is the correct option, conjugates. Phagocytes are what? Phagocytes are mostly macrophages. These three cells are the phagocytes, so all of these is the correct option, D. 180 MCQ said that the microorganism engulfed by phagocytes resides in a vacuoles known as, we call it phagosomes. So A is the correct option. So that's all about the 30 other MCQs. Inshallah, in the next video we will explain the other 30 MCQs. So I hope this videos help you. Thank you so much for watching.